Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit with multiple camera angles in DaVinci Resolve. Let's head into Resolve and I'll show you what I mean. Normally, we cut and insert multiple videos while editing, but it becomes very hard and time-consuming when working with multicam angles. Let me show you how to set up a multicam edit for fast and easy editing. Start by selecting all the files that were recorded at the same time, including the studio audio. Right-click and choose Create New Multicam Clip using selected clips. Here, you can give this clip a name, then choose a frame rate for the new clip. Now, the most important part is choosing how all of these clips are going to be synchronized together. We've got multiple video files from multiple cameras, but we need a way of lining them up in time so that when we switch between angles, we're not jumping forward or backward. In more professional setups, clips often use timecode, which makes syncing much easier. But if you're not using timecode, the next best option is usually syncing by audio. In this case, we don't have timecode, so we're going to choose sound. Next, choose which audio channel DaVinci Resolve should use to match the sound between the different cameras. Normally, channel 1 works fine, but if you run into problems, you can also try mix or automatic. For now, we'll choose channel 1. DaVinci Resolve 20 introduced a new option that lets you choose a reference audio track, but to keep things simple, we'll choose source audio channels. After that, you can choose how the camera angles will be named. This just helps you stay organized while editing. You can use clip names, file names, or metadata if you've set that up. I'll leave this set to sequential. There's an option to automatically move the clips into an original clip bin that Resolve creates for you, but I'll leave that unchecked because I don't want things moving around. Now click Create. DaVinci Resolve will analyze the clips and try to match the audio so it knows how everything lines up in time, and it will create a brand new clip in the media pool that we can use for editing. Once it's done, you can double-click it and view it in the source viewer. Now that the multicam clip is created, let me show you how to edit with it. Simply drag it into the timeline. The first thing you'll want to do is check the audio track type. If all of your cameras recorded stereo audio, you can leave it as stereo. But if they were using mono microphones, right-click on Audio 1 and change the track type to mono or to match your microphone specification. In this case, I'll leave it as it is. Let's close the media pool to give ourselves more space, then open the source viewer. Now, let's trim the unnecessary part of the clip. If you scrub through the timeline right now, you'll see that only one camera angle is being used. To see all the angles, we need to change the source viewer to Multicam. Click the drop-down menu and choose Multicam. Now, all of the camera angles will be visible in the source viewer. You can click on the default option and change the source viewer layout if you have more camera angles. Because this is a single clip on the timeline, you can use all your normal editing shortcuts to cut and trim the edit. The big advantage is that at any point, you can switch to a different camera angle. Let's start editing. First, let's fix the audio because we don't want it to change when we switch camera angles. To do this, click on this icon and select your studio audio file. If you don't have a separate audio file, you can select the camera angle with the best recorded audio. Here, you can see that my audio source has changed, but the video remains the same. Now, click this icon. By doing this, DaVinci Resolve will only change the video while editing, not the audio. Move your playhead to where you want to change the angle, then bring your cursor to the source viewer. If you hover your mouse over the source viewer, you'll see a razor blade icon. Clicking on a camera angle here will cut to that angle. I'll click on angle 2. Now you can see an edit point in the timeline and the video angle has changed. Now, stay on the timeline and make cuts wherever you need to change the angles. If you change your mind later and want a different camera angle, it's easy to fix. Just position the playhead over the clip, select the clip while holding Alt on the keyboard, then right-click, go to Switch Multicam Clip Angle and choose a different one. Here you can see that the video angle has changed. If you need to adjust the cut point of the clips, turn on Trim Mode, then drag the cut point to where you prefer. That's multicam editing in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working with multiple cameras, this feature is an absolute game changer. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.